Do you want glowing and clear skin, feel energized, boost your immune system and generally feel more healthy? Then you should know one or two things about the lymphatic system. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to exercise your facial muscles. Because what happens beneath the skin is equally important as what we put on top of it to stay looking beautiful and age gracefully. The goal of today's video is to show you what the lymphatic system actually is and why it is so important for your beauty and health overall. So we often hear the term, this will enhance lymphatic drainage, but let's understand what the lymphatic system actually is, what exactly lymphatic drainage is, how you can do that easily at home, and what actually the benefits are long-term doing this. So let's go. As we go through our life, our bodies store a lot of toxins and accumulate tons of waste. How does it come that we are not getting too sick too often, hopefully? This is due to our lymphatic system. The lymphatic system actually is a network of lymph fluid running all through your body and tissues and organs to detoxify your body, and it acts something like your waste management system within your whole entire being. Lymph is a clear yellowish fluid which is responsible to make your body immune against diseases and infections. So lymph fluid contains water, proteins, some bodily waste and toxins, and some sort of white blood cells called lymphocytes. It drains through lymph vessels, which then go through lymph nodes and then redeposited through your blood. The lymph nodes are tiny little sacs which contain these all-important germ-fighting lymphocytes all through our body. So where are these lymph nodes located in our body? You have over 600 lymph nodes and 300 of them are distributed around your neck. So if you feel sluggish or you feel like you're getting sick, oftentimes your lymph nodes are swollen, working extremely hard to produce these lymphocytes to get you healthy again. Some lymph nodes are connected deep in our face and some are quite superficial, which you can even feel. This is why oftentimes when you go to the doctor, he probably feels this area right here around your clavicle bones and sometimes around your armpits to see whether something is swollen and not going right with your immune system. Now that we understand what the lymphatic system and lymph fluid is, what is actually lymphatic drainage? So lymphatic drainage enhances the lymph flow even more throughout our faces and body. And the benefits of lymphatic drainage is that you can look depuffed right away. It can even plump up your skin because the lymph fluid can go into areas of your face which are usually dull and saggy and make your skin appear more plump. It also, due to the waste management and waste moving out of your face, can clear acne, improve dark spots, and generally give you this glowing and radiant complexion. By practicing lymphatic drainage regularly, we can even enhance our health and immune system. Because if we feel tired, sluggish, or getting sick, this could be due to a non-functioning lymphatic system, which can not only lead to small sicknesses like flus or breakouts, but also to lymphedema and cancer. Okay, so how can we enhance lymphatic drainage at home? Unlike the blood, which goes through our body by the pump of our heart, the lymph fluid is only moving unless we are moving, so we need to get active. Let's start with the body and see how we can enhance lymphatic drainage throughout the day. This is actually quite easy by exercising, moving, walking the stairs, or jumping. And this is my all-time favorite trick. Right away in the morning when I wake up, I do 100 steep jumps to activate the lymph fluid, and generally you will feel energized right away, and it will give you also a good mood booster. If you do not feel like jumping, you can also step onto your tippy toes and just abruptly go down for 100 times, and you will feel just like the lymph fluid starts to get going, and you overall will feel more energized right away. And obviously do not forget to drink so your body is sufficiently hydrated and all this lymph fluid has enough base to get going, so the water will help to drain everything out of your body. Now let's talk about our faces and how to enhance lymphatic drainage in our faces. overall, when you already exercise your body, you will also feel your face will start to get more radiant and glowy, because you cannot see your face as a separate entity to your body. So what you are doing to your body, like exercising, eating proper food, and also de-stressing, will absolutely show also in your face. This is why the first thing when it comes to lymphatic drainage, your posture is so important. If you sit constantly at a computer or generally in life like this, tensioning your neck, you obviously inhibit all these vital lymph nodes to work and the lymph fluid to go through, because there's nothing to go through. This causes a double chin, puffy eyes, and overall a dull complexion. So oftentimes we think fat is causing our double chin, when in reality it's stuck lymph fluid in our faces. So first thing, look at your posture. I actually made an entire video on the neck and why it is important to hold yourself properly. So I will link this in the description below so you can have a look also, because it has a huge connection to the lymphatic system as well. And then obviously, when it comes to lymphatic drainage, facial massages and exercises. Massages will help to move all this unwanted fluid out of your face, and facial exercises will contract the muscles sufficiently, which will even enhance lymphatic drainage more and give you this plumper and glowy look right away. So an amazing way to activate the lymphatic system is by massaging these vital lymph nodes. And we have one right under our ears. So in a lot of videos of mine, I already show to activate this point right here. And you might ask yourself, why is she massaging always under her ears? It's because to activate lymphatic drainage. And then you can also go down your neck and drain even further. And then we will touch our clavicle bones and hold here for a couple of minutes, because also here you have vital lymphatic pathways which you can activate by just holding your clavicle bones firm and just release the tension. Then obviously you have also vital lymph nodes right under your armpits, so get going and massage them regularly in the evening or morning, because this will also drain a lot of things. So overall, massaging your armpits also regularly is so important to enhance lymphatic drainage and also get all this waste down. If you want to have a look on how lymphatic drainage massages work, you can actually check out a video which I posted last week, and this is a facial massage routine with spoons, and it'll help you to enhance lymphatic drainage and get you this depuffed and glowy look. And I will link this video below so you can have a look and maybe join me daily on this little routine. And then lastly, the best way to incorporate facial massages and exercises is the program at allyoucanface.com, because you will have the best balance between exercising and massages, and you will learn also all techniques very thoroughly and very correctly, and you can just join me every day and make it part of your daily life. So I hope you had fun watching this video as much as I have fun doing it. And if you're interested in videos like this and becoming the best version of yourself and get to know yourself better, then please hit the notification bell and subscribe to this channel, because this will mean the world to me, and I can't wait to see you next week. Till then.